Hi everyone, my name is Ian. Today news is about tropical storm in Vanuatu. Vanuatu is in the island. It is in the Pacific. Tropical storm hits island. The wind blows up to 210 miles an hour or 314 kilometers an hour. The wind rips roofs of houses, it downs trees. Around 8 people die. This storm is really bad. The sea goes up by 8 meters. The capital city is Vanuatu is underwater. The United Nations wants to have, but it's not easy because the airport is closed and the wind is very strong. People cannot have at the moment, and people they must wait for better weather. Okay, in the text there are a few new words. For example, blow. Blow it means push over, and rip it means remove a lot of force, and roof it means a top of house or building. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.